Welcome traders. In this video, I'll show you how to use a really good indicator on TradingView. It's a special indicator that helps you find good trading opportunities. It shows you supply and demand zones, confirmation indicators, the exponential moving average, which is commonly known as the EMA, and some other useful filters. Also, I'll share a complete trading strategy you can use with this tool to make a good amount of money and increase your trading account size. I'm going to keep this video short and quick. So without wasting any time, let's see what indicators we're going to use in the strategy. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. We are only going to be using two indicators in this strategy. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 5 and 15 minute. Now I will quickly cross out these indicators so that I can explain their settings from the beginning. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So first of all, let's add the main indicator of our strategy to the chart. So we will click on the indicator section, and we will search for best trailing take profit strategy in the search box of TradingView. After that, we have to click on this indicator created by David. This is how it looks when we add it to our chart. To understand the method on which this indicator works, first of all, we will need to know what a trailing stop is. In short, a trailing stop is designed to protect gains by enabling a trade to remain open and continue to profit as long as the price is moving in the investor's favor. The order closes the trade if the price changes direction by a specified percentage or dollar amount. The only difference in trailing stop and trailing profit is that in trailing profit, the order closes the trade if the price hits the trailing profit level specified percentage or dollar amount. It is necessary that being traders, you guys know about these small details. Now, let's modify the settings for this indicator to use it according to our strategy. So we will click on the settings icon. And first of all, in the style section, we have to hide some options. We will uncheck these 4 options. This will make our chart easy to read and understand. After this, we will access the input section. And in this, we have to change the value of fast length 1 to 35 instead of 20, and fast length 2 to 75 instead of 50. And these are going to be all the changes we will be doing for this indicator. We will see how we read this indicator later in the video. First, let's add the second indicator of our strategy to the chart. So again, we will click on the Indicators tab and search for CCI Extreme in the search box. After that, we have to click on CCI Extreme and OBV Divergence, created by Cooper Hong. The settings for this indicator will remain on default, and we will not change anything. Now our setup is ready, so let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. So first of all, for a buy trade to be valid, we will wait for the best trailing take profit indicator to give us a bullish crossover signals, which is indicated by this green circle. After we have got this signal, first of all, if we have not got a green candle yet, we will wait for the market to give us a bullish candle. We will only enter on a green candle. So after we have got a bullish candle, we will confirm this signal with the help of the CCI indicator we have just added to the chart. The CCI Extreme indicator of oscillator should be green in color, which indicates an upward trend in the market. So these are all the conditions that need to be fulfilled before we enter a buy trade using this strategy. So I will open a buy position here. Our stop loss will be placed at the orange line of this indicator, which will be right here. And our take profit target will be set at a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Make sure to follow strict money management rules as we are trading in a shorter time frame. As you can see, the market has completely hit the target. Now let's go through one more buy trade example. Here we can see the indicator gave us a green circle on the chart, and we have a green candle here, which means we have got a signal to buy. And the CCI indicator also confirms this signal as it is green in color, giving us a confirmation that the market is in an upward trend right now. So let's open a position here, following the same money management rules I have explained for a buy position. As you guys can see, this strategy is pretty easy to understand and use in our live trading, and it also gives pretty accurate signals most of the time. Now, let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. Rules for a sell trade are exactly opposite to the rules used for a buy trade. We first wait for the bearish crossover signals from the optimal trailing take profit indicator, which is denoted by the appearance of a red circle. Once this signal is confirmed, we further verify it by ensuring the presence of a red candle in the market. Our entry is executed exclusively on a red candle. Subsequently, we validate this signal with the addition of the CCI indicator to the chart, ensuring that the CCI Extreme oscillator indicator is prominently red, signifying a downward market trend. These are the specified conditions that must be met before engaging in a sell trade using this strategy. So I will open a sell position here. The stop loss will be placed at the orange line of this indicator, and our take profit target will be set at the same risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Now let's see if the market has hit our target or not. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering buy and sell trade using this strategy. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments regarding this strategy and how it can be improved. If you guys like this video, please feel free to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.